What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri Jean Valencia. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries of Mega Manga Love. Shout out mga RCFC receiver request to react to the performance of Ruel Carino sa Bulagaan 2026. At eto nga, nag-backup dancer daw ang Bossing Vic sa kanya. So ito nga ang ating reactan for today. Thank you so much to Istoryahan Kita for uploading this video. And thank you so much for requesting for today's performance of Ruel. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Ay. Ganda nung... Oh my God, ano nga kanta to? I love it. Balikan natin yun ng konti. Ganda ng vocal ni Ruel. Bagay sa kanya yung round eyeglasses. Iba yung hagod and the vocal placement of Ruel. At ang fresh niya sa student look, no? Bagay na bagay to kay Bonsai yung student look with the necktie, tas nakasalamin. Very Harry Potter ang dating ng ating bunso for today's video. And of course, iba yung atake ng boses sa, no? Ano ang title ng kanta nito, guys? You can comment down below and let me know. But I love this song. Pati ata si Jose, naging backup dancer. Oh my God, ang cute naman. Bossing is dancing. Balikan natin yan. Pa-small steps si Bossing. May pa-slide pa. Wow, grabe yung vocal ni Ruel. Wow! Nagulat si Bossing. Ginulat pa tayo ng bunso dun. Grabe yung vocal flare na yun. Balikan natin, guys. Grabe yung vocal flare. Umi-slide pa sila, Bossing. Grabe. Nagulat si Bossing. Cute. Wow, that is so cute. Balikan nga natin yung pa-slide nila, Bossing doon. Saka yung vocal ni Ruel, grabe yun, guys. Na parang performance level, parang nag-concert siya doon. Doon sa arrangement na yun ng vocal niya. Balikan natin yung pa-slide nila, Bossing. Iba din yung gulat ni smooth pa rin si Bossing talaga. Magkamukha sila ni Ruel. Wow, what a cute performance. Grabe yun. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino in Bulagaan 2026. Singing, hindi ko alam ang title pero alam ko yung kanta. You can comment down below, guys. At nakita niyo naman ang mga backup dancer ng bunso. Bigatin, Jose, and Bossing Vic. Grabe yun. May pa-slide pa, no? Grabe, may choreo talaga sila. At syempre, nagulat nga ang Bossing sa vocal flare ni Ruel kasi parang concert feels naman yung performance. At saka yung ending, no? May talaga, conviction ang vocal ni Ruel doon. Grabe. And of course, guys, meron siyang benefit concert. Kung may link kayo, please send it to me. Hindi ko pa rin siya mahanap talaga. 3 araw, 1 linggo ko na ata hinahanap, guys. But I cannot find any link. Even Mami Sani is requesting for it. Marami daw kinanta si Ruel. So, hindi ko alam kung sino ang mag-upload at kung sino ang makakakuha. ng link. Miss Mel Escalante, I'm requesting po kasi si Miss Mel lagi yan nagsisend sa atin ng link. Kahit yung mga throwback performance na, well, minsan nagulat ako, 5 months na pala yun. Akala ko ay recent performance, but of course, dun yung mga hindi pa natin nare-reactan sa ating channel at napapanood na performance. Kaya, thank you so much for being so generous and sending me the link. And of course, for still watching, kahit na matagal na yung mga nire-reactan kong mga sinesend sa akin na link, pinapanood nyo pa din mga ka-RCFC. And I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for your love and support. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shule Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.